Good morning, dear 12thers. Today we are going to start with Chapter 3, Deep Water, from Flamenco. Deep Water by William Douglas. William Douglas was born in Minnesota in America, and he completed his Bachelor of Arts in English and Economics. He taught for a couple of years in his high school in Yakima, but then his dream was to pursue a legal career. So he started studying law. He became a very famous lawyer of human individual rights. He also became an advisor and friend to the President Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale. He retired serving a long-lasting term of 36 years, and he remains the longest-serving justice in the history of the court. This text, Deep Water, is an excerpt of Men and Mountains, the autobiography of William Douglas. It tells us about a misadventure in the swimming pool at Yakima, where the 11-year-old Douglas was thrown into the pool by a bully. He developed severe hydrophobia, but of course he was lucky to have been saved. But being saved was not enough. He wanted to get over the fear of water, which was arresting his normal life. He could not move around with his friends when they were at water sports because the hydrophobia totally paralyzed him. Therefore, he took up a trainer, learned to swim. He learned the strokes. He satisfied his trainer, but then he still had a doubt. Would he be able to swim alone? So he went to different pools all by himself, tried to swim, but every time a vestige, a remainder, a residue of the fear returned. And he created his own formula of overpowering fear. He personified fear, spoke to it, rebuked it, and finally he was successful. There was no fear in him while he swam. This gives us a huge message of determination and perseverance. Failing and trying again is perseverance. And Douglas tells us that in difficult times we should not give up, but continue to try, be courageous, and finally success will definitely be yours. William had a difficult childhood. At the age of 4, he was a polio patient, but though weak in his legs, he tried his best to regain strength by doing trekking exercises and other exercises. At the age of 6, he lost his father, but he continued with his education. even for his law degree, he had to fend for himself, find the fees for his education, so he was a self-funded student. His mother was very proud of him and called him her treasure. And treasure William Douglas definitely is for all the readers, because he instills courage. He instills the desire to succeed in each and every reader. Tomorrow, as we go through the text, we will enjoy the language. We will experience empathetically the drowning and overcoming, drowning and hydrophobia. The autobiographical part of the text makes it very appealing. So, dear students, please go through the text once before we actually go ahead with the explanation. Thank you, everyone.